Sometimes you feel that you cannot communicate with your partner very smoothly. You try to connect, but it generally turns into arguments, misunderstandings, or silence. If that sounds familiar, this worksheet can help you reflect, reset, and reconnect. This isn't a test or a label. It does not mean that something is broken, and it does not replace couple counseling. It is a simple tool that will help you understand what is really happening in your relationship or the marriage. And I'll help you walk through it step by step. The first page gives you the clarity on what the relationship concerns look like, including some common signs like emotional disconnection, repetitive conflicts, and feeling misunderstood. It also helps you spot red flags and burst the myths. Next is your individual experience section. Here, you'll reflect on the biggest concerns in the relationship about safety, conflicts, connections, and being fulfilled. Answering these questions can help you notice the patterns that generally go unnoticed. Then we move to a powerful visual exercise called team versus opponent. This metaphor will help you shift from blame to teamwork, from me versus you to us versus the problem. Remember, being brutally honest will be the key. Finally, there's a CBT-based activity called Communication Reframe that will help you notice the gaps between how we express ourselves and what we are actually feeling inside. This is a key to improving emotional closeness. You can either print this worksheet or write your answers in the notebook. You don't need to show this to anyone unless you really want to. This is for your self-growth and healing. And if these reflections bring up more questions than answers, I am here for you. You're not alone, and let's do this together.